Okay, once you download the zip file, I like to save it into its own folder to keep everything organized. You're going to extract to the file, and I'm just extracting it into the same folder. And then here's the extracted software. So you're going to open the software. First thing you'll need to do is update put in your license code or your license key. And then it'll open the software. For the image scraper for Flickr, you will need to set a Flickr key. So you can do that by clicking on this Get Flickr key. It'll open up a window. And to do that, all you do is you're going to say apply for a key online. And you just apply for a non-commercial key. You'll fill out this information and submit it. And normally you'll get the key within like 24 hours. I already have a key, so I'm not going to apply again. I'm going to close that. So once you get your key, you'll hit set Flickr key, and you're going to put in your API key and your API secret. I'm going to pause it while I input my key and my secret. Okay, so I've saved my API key. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to put in your Flickr search term. So whatever you want to search here. So let's do lions, and then the number of images that you want to download. Let's say 15. And then all you do is you just hit start, and it's downloading the images. So it's over here in the terminal. You can kind of see as it works through. So it's downloaded the 15 images. And it's saved them into the downloaded image folder. So now we'll go to the downloaded images folder. You can see here downloaded images, and it puts them into a folder based on the term you searched. And then here's all the images that it pulled. And then it has a spreadsheet. What that spreadsheet does is it's telling you based on the file name. So for example, this lines one, that file was by this Flickr, that's the Flickr username. Here's the full Flickr name. Here's the link to the user URL. Here's the title they had, description, tags they used. Here's the Flickr version URL. Here is the raw photo URL if you wanted to pull just the raw photo. And then here is this is like the license ID that are set. So it tells you here whether the rights are reserved. You can use it for public domain, the different settings for the rights. And then here's the embed code for the Flickr ID. But you have all this information so you can give attribution to the either the photo or the user when you utilize the images that you pull.